One of the key components of high-quality STEM learning and STEM literacy is the integration of emerging technologies into STEM experiences, specifically during the application of STEM practices and the design of solutions to solve real-world problems and contexts. In this video, we will showcase what emerging technologies educators can expose students to within high-quality STEM learning experiences. In their journal article, the authors of What is an Emerging Technology defines emerging technologies as a radical, novel, and relatively fast-growing technology characterized by a certain degree of coherence, persisting over time, and with the potential to exert a considerable impact on socioeconomic domains. In other words, emerging technologies are relatively new and rapidly developing technologies and a specific level of consistency that is maintained across a period of time. These technologies have the potential to greatly affect society and the economy. The authors also add that its most prominent impact, however, lies in the future, and so in the emergence phase is still somewhat uncertain and ambiguous. The most significant effects of these technologies are expected to occur in the future, where there is uncertainty and a lack of clarity. This uncertain, ambiguous future characterizes our VUCA world, an acronym for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, that aptly describes the unpredictable, interconnected, and unclear nature of the challenges we face today. This uncertain and ambiguous future calls for ingenuity, but also the right technologies to navigate the unpredictability of our times. Types of emerging technologies. Let's now explore the different emerging technologies that are out there currently that our students can learn about and in some cases can incorporate into the STEM learning experiences that we design. I took a look at resources from the following organizations that list emerging technologies which are industry-shaping and society-serving applications. After synthesizing the list from these organizations, I found 8 central areas of emerging technologies. First, let's talk about AI, a broad field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of performing tasks typically requiring human intelligence. AI uses technologies like machine learning and deep learning to enable machines to mimic human capabilities. This includes sensory perception and recognition, allowing AI to understand its environment. Web3. Web3 aims to be a more democratic internet by making a blockchain-based web where users control their data and online experiences, not big tech companies. This would be achieved through blockchain technology, an advanced data mechanism that allows transparent information sharing within a business network. Virtual reality, or VR, immerses users in a completely simulated world, while augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital elements onto the real world. Both VR and AR could be gateways to the metaverse, a proposed future internet envisioned as a 3D virtual space for interaction, work, and play. It has the potential to change how we interact online, from attending virtual concerts to learning in exciting new virtual classrooms. Energy and sustainability. The energy sector is shifting towards renewable sources with a focus on enabling technologies that enhance grid integration, energy storage, and efficiency. Addressing climate change, advancements in solar cells, geothermal systems, heat pumps, sustainable aviation fuel, and computing practices are emerging. Sustainability expands beyond energy, with responsible practices across sectors. Advanced manufacturing reduces waste, and regulators enforce transparency and accountability through stricter carbon tracking. Urban planning is also being reimagined for more resilient cities. Robotics, electrical engineering. Robots are increasingly taking over repetitive and dangerous tasks, assisting with household chores and even aiding surgeons. New developments include soft robots that can change shape, and tiny robots for confined spaces, with designs inspired by nature and origami for enhanced movement. These advancements will expand robots' roles in work, healthcare, exploration, and entertainment. Electrical engineering, utilizing principles of electricity and electromagnetism. Electrical engineers design and optimize circuits, sensors, and power systems, driving technological advancements and efficiency across various industries. Data is crucial for emerging technologies across various fields. Real-time data optimizes transportation and supply chain, while blockchain innovations improve scalability and privacy. In healthcare, patient data integration enhances monitoring and personalized care. Financial services use encryption and privacy technologies for regulatory compliance. Carbon tracking platforms reduce carbon footprints. Data privacy, security, and cybersecurity technologies ensure robust data environments. Advanced computing is rapidly evolving, driven by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, chip design, and alternative computing architectures. Exascale supercomputers are enabling complex simulations, while AI is demanding new chip designs like chiplets for efficient processing. Neuromorphic computing is the design of computers that mimics how our brains work. It holds promise for energy-efficient AI applications, and quantum computing advances are being made. Biotechnology is a rapidly growing field that utilizes tools to manipulate and understand biological systems. Spatial omics combines imaging and DNA sequencing to create detailed maps of cellular processes, offering new insights into disease and development. Designer phages, on the other hand, are engineered viruses that target specific bacteria, holding promise for treating infections, improving agriculture, and ensuring food safety. Bioengineering is a rapid advancing field, merging biology and engineering to create usable, tangible, economically viable products, poised to transform various industries from disease prevention and agriculture production to materials production and energy sustainability. 3D printing is also revolutionizing various fields. In healthcare, companies are developing 3D printed medicines, potentially allowing for on-demand drug manufacturing at home. Researchers are also using 3D printing for biocompatible implants and tissue regeneration, such as eye implants for diabetes treatment and bioprinted skeletal muscle tissues. In construction, 3D printing enables the creation of sustainable and efficient buildings, with projects like the world's largest 3D printed neighborhood in Texas and eco-concrete developments. Additionally, 3D printing is advancing the food industry with innovations like printed meals and the potential of AI-controlled 3D printers in kitchens. This technology promises to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and enable customization across various sectors. In later videos, we will learn how some of these emerging technologies can be incorporated into STEM integrated learning experiences that we will be designing.